Hey guys, we're going to continue with some point slope form examples. And let's see what we have here. We have this. We're not going to do anything on that page. Let's look at this page. So it says a line passing through x is 8, y is -4, and has a slope of 2/3. What is an equation in point slope form of the line? Okay. Well, we know point slope form looks like this. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And these are our point. The point that we use is where the numbers go. So to rewrite this, we're going to put y. And we know y is -4, and there's a subtraction sign in front of that, so that will become a positive. Y plus 4 equals 2/3 times x minus 8. And that's all we do. Okay? Now down here it says graph using point slope form. Well, to do that, this is in point slope form, but we need to convert this to slope intercept form. We want to do y equals mx plus b, because then we can put it on the graph if we choose to. So we need to move this 7 over here. So to do that, I'm going to, let's just rewrite the equation. Y plus 7 equals -4 over 5 times x minus 4. Okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to get rid of this fraction because it'll just be easier. And y plus 7 equals -4 divided by 5 is -0.8 times x minus 4. Now we need to distribute first. So y plus 7 equals -0.8 times x will give us -0.8x. And then -0.8 times -4, let's see, -0.8 times a -4 will give us positive 3.2. Now we can move some stuff. We got to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 7 here. If I do it there, I need to also do it here. So now I have y equals -0.8x. And then we have 3.2 minus 7. And I have -3.8. Okay, so -3.8. And then we could put it in y equals and set up the graph, but we're not going to do that. Next one, let's see. The slope of the line in problem 3 was 7 over 3. Well, I don't even see that anywhere. So this is problem 3. And the point is this. To write an equation of the line, okay, write an equation of the line of point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we can just plug this stuff in. So we have our y and our minus y. This is also, let's see, hold on just a second. Okay. This is also y minus y1, and then here's our y is a -3, so that's going to become a positive, equals, our slope is 7 over 3, and I'm going to make that a decimal. 7 divided by 3 is 2.333. Well, I guess we'll just leave it. Let's just leave it because that's even messier. So we have 7 over 3 times x minus a negative 2. So that will turn into a positive 2. And that's all you do. Now this one, it says the equation of the line in point slope form I'm not sure what all this is, because that is not even the right point. -4 and a -1. That was not our point here. Anyway, we can rewrite this in y equals mx plus b, because they want us to change this to slope-intercept form. So let's do that. So we have y minus 4 equals 7 over 3 times x minus 1. So to continue, we have y minus 4 equals 7 over 3x, and then minus that times this would be minus 7 over 3. Okay? And then we need to move the 4 over, and we'll do that by adding plus 4, and y equals 7 over 3x minus 7 over 3 plus 4. I'm not going to get into doing all that right now. That's it. So the next one, we have a table. So we know how to find the slope. So we're going to hit Stat, Enter, and we're going to put in our table, which is 2, 3, 5, and 8. We're going to tab over and up, and we're going to put 3320, 4570, 70, and 10,820. We're going to hit Stat, tab 4, enter all the way down. And I can see that my slope is 1,250. My y-intercept is 820. Okay. Based on that, write the equation in point slope form. So I'm just going to choose this point. And I know point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so let's just insert that point. So we have y minus 3,320 equals, our slope was 1,250 times x minus 2. So now they want us to convert this to slope-intercept form, so we can do that as well. Y minus 3,320 equals 1250 times x minus 2. So we need to distribute first. That becomes 1250x minus 2,500. So we need to add 3320 on this side. If we do it there, we do it here. And now we have y equals 1250x plus 820. Okay. Let's see. Number 10. 10. It says, what is the graph of this? Well, we need to put it in slope-intercept form. So we need to add 4. Well, first we need to distribute y minus 4 equals 3x plus 6. So we're going to add 4 to each side. That gives us y equals 3x plus 10. And then we could graph it. Okay, this is point slope form. And they want to know, is the line that passes through the points... Oh, it's telling us this is the line that passes through these 2 points. And they want to know, what is the value of d? Well, point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we know this 2 goes with this, and therefore this x would be right here. That looks like too much, so we're not going to do that. A little bit more. Let's see. We can identify the slope, and we can identify a point using the x1 and y1. They want us to see if this is an equation of a line, and we just solved this one, I think. Nope, we didn't. So let's do this real quick, and let's see if this is a point through that. So y minus 4 equals 3 times x plus 1. So y minus 4 equals 3x plus 3. I'm going to add 4 to both sides to get that off there, and we have y equals 3x plus 7. So I can put this in my calculator using y equals, and I'm going to put in 3x plus 7, and I'm going to hit second table, and I'm going to look for -2, and I see it right here, and I can see that the point is -2 and 1, so yes, it is. Because we verified it, okay? And that'll do it, okay? You now need to complete 1 through 6. I'll put a video on here in a little bit so that you can check your work. If you have any questions, please attend Zoom class at 9 o'clock. That'll do it. Thank you for watching.